Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to check RAM size in Windows 11 step by step. If you want to know how much memory is installed on your PC or laptop, this is quick and easy tutorial. So let's get started. Firstly, go to Start menu. Here you will type Settings, then open Settings. Inside Settings, click on System from the left side menu. Now scroll down and click on About. Scroll down till last. Here you will see About. Click on it. Under Device Specifications, Device Info, you will see Installed RAM. Here it is. Installed RAM 8 GB and 7.28 GB usable. Here Windows 11 show you the total RAM available on your computer. Alternative method, you can also press Ctrl Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Then click on the Performance tab and select Memory to see RAM and RAM size and usage. Here you will see total RAM size 8 GB, memory usage 7.3 GB, available 925 MB, 926. It will You will see this is live. And that's it. This is how you can quickly check RAM size in Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.